Ayaw magpabukas. What's inside the box? Tignan muna natin. Oh, teka lang. Hi everyone! This is Angelie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing my new laptop. And this is MacBook Pro. Before we proceed, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a tech expert. Kaya before ako bumili ng aking bagong laptop, marami rin akong pinanood ng mga reviews about MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. MacBook Air talaga yung first choice ko, but ang dami kong napanood na hindi kagandahang reviews about MacBook Air, kaya napunta ako sa MacBook Pro. Hesitant talaga ako at first na bumili ng MacBook Pro kasi sobrang ang laki ng difference ng MacBook Pro to MacBook Air. I think it's almost 20,000 din yung difference nila. And to compare with my first laptop na binili ko noong 2010, which is the Lenovo IdeaPad, ang laki talaga ng difference. Kaya medyo napapaisip ako kung bibilhin ko na ba tong MacBook Pro. Realize na baka it's time for me to upgrade my personal laptop since 10 years na rin yung first time ko na bumili ng laptop. Baka this time, I need to upgrade na rin. Hindi ko rin masyadong nagamit yung laptop ko before. Kaya lang naman ako bumili ng laptop kasi I want to do my report sa bahay. Kasi during that time na nag-work ako sa ZES-Air, wala kaming personal laptop. Meron lang kaming desktop sa office. Of course, hindi mo naman pwedeng iuwi yun. To weekends, gagawin ko yung report ko. Pagdating ng Monday, ipapasa ko na lang sa mga boss ko. But after ilang years din, naging AirAsia naman si ZES-Air and nagkaroon naman ng mga kanya-kanyang laptop. So, hindi ko na masyadong nagamit talaga yung laptop ko. This time, iba naman yung purpose ko kung bakit gusto kong mag-upgrade ng laptop. Una, because I'm doing editing ng aking mga photos and videos. So, siguro this time talaga, it's a best time para upgrade ako ng laptop. I'm a huge fan of Apple products. I've been using iPhone and even my watch is iWatch. Pero hindi ko naisip na bibili din ako ng MacBook para maging laptop ko. Kasi nga, sobrang mahal niya. Nabalitaan ko pa na parang wala na daw available unit sa mga Power Mac stores. So, ang hirap humanap din ng seller ng MacBook na talagang legit na mapapagkatiwalaan mo. Thankful ako na nakilala ko tong si Richel Salutan na legit seller ng MacBook Pro. And ang dami ko sa kanyang tinatanong almost every day. Buti na lang, she is very patient with me to answer all my questions regarding MacBook Pro. Of course, gusto ko rin malaman kung legit ba talaga na seller siya and legit ba talaga yung binebenta niya. If interested din kayo na bumili ng mga Apple products, PM sa kanyang Facebook page, which is the Prime Gadgeteerz. I will link on my description box below yung kanyang Facebook account. And tip ko lang sa inyo na makipag-negotiate muna kayo sa kanya through online before kayo pumunta sa kanilang store para makakuha kayo ng bigger discount. Unfortunately, hindi kami nagkita nung nag-drop by ako sa kiosk nila. I think naka-rest day niya during that time. Pero masaya naman ako na sobrang inassist din ako ng mga ladies na nandun sa store nila. So guys, if you are interested to buy Apple products, masasabi ko na legit talaga tong si Aso Trading. And sana makakuha pa ako ng mga bigger discount sa next purchase ko. And kung gusto nyong makabili ng mas murang Apple products compared sa mga Power Mac, pumunta lang kayo sa store nila sa Robinsons, Manila. Before we proceed, magbibihis muna ako, magpapalit na muna ako ng damit ko dahil ito rin yung suot ko kanina nung pumunta ako sa Robinsons, Manila. And para tuloy-tuloy na rin ang ating pag-unboxing. So, this is MacBook Pro 13 inches, space gray, and Retina LED backlit display. 1.4 quad-core Intel Core i5, 8GB, 256GB SSD, Intel Iris Plus graphics, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 USB-C ports, headphone jack, stereo speakers, full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, FaceTime, HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS, and that's it. So let's open it here. Ayaw magpabukas. Yan! This is my MacBook Pro. So, yung laman ng box is, of course, the manual. Inside the manual is and the sticker. Then, of course, the charging cord, and this is the power adapter. Okay, that's it. Now, let's open the laptop. Okay, so let's set up this laptop. So I will choose English, of course.
And important voiceover commands. To advance through the quick start panels now, use the arrow keys located to the right of the main keyboard keys. On a portable computer, they're located in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. The up arrow and down arrow keys are positioned one above the other, with the left arrow and right arrow keys on either side. Now continue to the next panel by pressing the right arrow key. To exit at any time and continue setting up your Mac, press the escape key. Panel 1 of 13.
To advance through the quick start panels now, use the arrow key. located to the right of the main keyboard keys on a portable computer.
Practice what you learn. Many Quick Start panels include an area where you can use VoiceOver to practice the commands you just learned about on the panel. The Quick Start plays a sound to indicate when practice begins and ends. When VoiceOver starts and is ready for practice, you will hear the following sound.
And finally, na-set up na natin ang ating MacBook Pro. And we're done setting up our MacBook Pro. I'll update you on my experience of using MacBook Pro. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.